What's up, guys? How is it going? What we're going to do in this lesson is prepare the file so that we can work with it in Illustrator later. So here on the right panel, there are different formats and settings. Let's create a square document. For instance, of 3000 by 3000 pixels. And then I'll insert the JPG image of the ogre we created before. There it goes. The next step will be embedding the image so that in case we delete the file or whatever, we don't lose the image. Great. I'm going to reduce the opacity and select the template box in this floating window. This way, the drawing will be less opaque, more transparent, and the layer locked. Perfect. Let's save it now as an Adobe Illustrator file. So guys, what we are going to do now is ink the drawing with the pen tool. With the pen, we'll be able to create strokes of the different sizes and widths, depending on the settings we adjust. There's a specific window for setting the stroke, but here in the panel at the top, we can also select the borders and the width of the stroke, so you can see on the screen, okay? And in the window on the left, which is this one, this floating window, we can set different parameters like the width or the corners. We can say if we want them rounded or pointed and so on. And the same with the borders. So there are different settings so we can adjust, okay? And at the bottom of the window, there's an option called dashed lines, where we can convert the lines into dashes or dots depending on the separation between them. For example, I'm changing these parameters to get a dotted line. Okay. See? This is what we got. I'm going to lower it a little bit, and there it goes. This is a dotted line. To restore it, just delete the values and that's all. Great. Let's start working with the above layer. If we click on the color, a pop-up menu opens with tons of colors for the line. I've selected purple, but if we change it to blue, the line becomes blue, right? And the same with the rest of colors. You can choose the option you like depending on what you want, okay? In this case, I'll select a base of a dark color to draw easily. I think this gray is fine. Okay, let's deselect the stroke. And select multiply mode. Oops, I don't know why nothing happened. It's been applied in the navigator, but not here. Let me see. Okay, I think I'm going to insert the image again. Perhaps the software crashed or something. So I'm just repeating the same steps we did before, okay? Select the image. follow the same steps: embed, reduce opacity, and multiply. So guys, this would be the result before vectorizing. Let's do it. See you in the next lesson.